What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I had to creep in the Dollar General to see what was going on. Y'all, I found some amazing items with some amazing coupons, and I am here to show y'all. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to like it up, subscribe, and if you watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free, 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 free. So subscribe, please. Anyway, and I want to say hey, hello to all my new subscribers and to all my returning subscribers. Thank y'all for being loyal and returning, and know your girl got these deals for y'all. So y'all, let's take a look and see what I got at the Dollar General. Okay, y'all, I finally got some Sky. Y'all, the shelves been cleared on this item. Let me tell y'all, I was so nervous that I was not going to be able to do this deal because the towel paper was always gone every time I went to the Dollar General. But this time it was back on the very top shelf. Don't you know, I got a broom and got these down. Yes, I did, a broom. But anyway, y'all, the toilet paper was $10, $5 each. And the towel paper was $10, $5 each, totaling $20. When you spend $20 on Scott products, you automatically save $4. So that's gonna make them 16. Then they blessed us with not one, but two $2 coupons, which is $4. So you get $2 off on two toilet papers, $2 off on two towel papers, totaling $4. So $4 is gonna come off of that $16, making these four items just $12, and that's $3 each, y'all, for these paper products. So this week is the week to be stocking up on Scott products at Dollar General if you don't do nothing else. And I guess we can get into the next transaction, and this was my first transaction. Okay, y'all, before we get into the last transaction, I had did this transaction as well. We starting off with the Doritos. They are two for $7, so four bags is $14. Then I grabbed one of these. I think it's a 1.5 liter, 1.25 liters of Pepsi. This was $1.85. It's actually cheaper than the one that comes cold already, because the regular one that comes cold is like $2.50. And I was like, no, who's paying that for a little pop? So this is a big pop that you can get $1.85. Then when you buy it with the Doritos or Lay's, you save $3. So all of these items was $15.85. Then this $3 coupon is gonna come off, making everything $12.85, making each item $2.57 each, y'all. Now, where can you go getting a bag of Doritos for $2.57? Nowhere. So, this deal in itself is good. And you know, y'all can use y'all EBT cards if your state hasn't banned you getting chips and soda with it. But still, to pay $12.85 out of pocket for these items is not bad at all, y'all. So let's get into this last transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction and some of the items I had got. And it's not so much about the transaction in itself, it's about the coupons that's coming out for these items. Okay, y'all, we gonna start off with the Lemon Breeze Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner. It was $2.75. We have 75 cents coming off, making it just $2. The Lysol cleaning wipes were $5. We have $1 off, making it $4. Then the Dawn Power Suds is $6. We have $2 coming off, making it $4. Then we have the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and these can be found in the dollar aisle. They are currently $1. We have a 75 cent off Lysol coupon that's attaching, making this just 25 cents, y'all. Cannot beat that at all. Then we got the Axe body wash. It is $5.50. We have $2 coming off and $1 coming off, making it $2.50. Now we have Ajax, and this is a 52-ounce bottle, y'all. Look how big this bottle is. I don't know if the video is giving this justice, but y'all, this was $4. We have $1 coming off, making it $3. Then on the Downy Rinse, it is $6.95. We have two coupons coming off as well. $1.55 and a $2 coupon, making this just $3.40. Then on the Tide Extra Large 18 count pods, this was $9.95. We had a $2 and a $2.05 coming off, making this just $5.90. Then the Game Fireworks beads, and it's the trial size. It is $4.50. We have $1.50 coming off, making it just $3. And this coupon, y'all can use it on the dryer sheets and fabric softener as well. So if you find the $4.50 one of those, you can use the coupon. Okay, then we got a small space. Febreze, it is $3.50. We got $2.50 coming off, making it $1. Then on the Vaseline lotions, they were 2 for $8. We got $4 coming off, making them both of these just $4 or $2 a piece. Then on the Nivea, it is $5.75. We got $2 coming off, making it $3.75. So there you have it, y'all. There is some cheap items that you can grab up this week at Dollar General. And if you wait till Saturday, it's plenty of transactions that you can do with these items to be paying practically nothing out of pocket. Then it's some more items I want to show y'all. This big bottle of Dynamo was in the dollar aisle, y'all. This is some kind of Oxy Boost to brighten up your clothes. But I was just showing y'all how big this is. And it is 60 ounces in the dollar aisle. I seen that and had to grab it. I don't know if it works good or whatever. But for $1, you cannot beat that. Then I picked up one of these in the dollar aisle as well. I never saw 409 dishwashing liquid. And if it works anything like the 409 spray, it is all that. Because the 409 spray, y'all, will clean grease off of anything. I use that practically on a lot of stuff. So I wanted to try out the dishwashing liquid. But yeah, it was $1, and this is 15 ounces. It's not that big, but it'll do for me to try it out. And then in store, I found some of these. They were $8.95. They basically, next time we have a clearance event, these will be in with the clearance stuff. These did not have a coupon, But I don't know. It's something about these Wicked products. Every time I see them, I gotta get them. Then to top it all off, I was on the phone with my mother, and she was at Kroger's grocery store, and tell me why they had these on clearance, she said, for two something dollars. So she got like $10 worth of gain wicked beads for two something dollars at Kroger's. So if you have a Kroger, Smith's, any of their sister stores, be on the lookout for clearance items because they always have clearance at the grocery stores. But y'all, that was the end of my Dollar General haul video. And I'ma need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. And with that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.